A very good morning. I am Samruddhi Kumbhar of class 10th F. I am here for the art integrated project. My topic is pollination in flowering plants. We are going to see definition, different types of pollination and its explanation. So, what is pollination? It is the process in which pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma of the plant. In this figure, we can see flower 1 and flower 2, in which the pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma. So, there are basically two types of pollination: self pollination and cross pollination. So, let us begin with self pollination. The pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma of the same flower or to the flower of the same plant. This pollination takes place between one flower only. Now, let us see cross pollination. It takes place between two flowers, that is, this one and this one, in which it is a process. The pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma of a flower of a different plant. So, let us see how does pollination takes place in flowers. We know that it takes place through self and cross pollination. But after reaching the stigma of the flower of the same kind of flower, the pollen grains absorb moisture from the stigma surface and begins to grow a tube. This tube is known as pollen tube. The pollen tube lengthens through the style and enters the ovule in ovary. And there it releases its male cells which fuse with female cell of the ovule to produce a zygote. The ovule containing the fertilized cell develops into a seed. The covering of the ovule gives rise to the seed coat, and the ovary containing the seeds develop into a fruit. These are some common flowering plants. So, let us start with stamen. It is comprises of two parts, that is anther and filament. So, let us start with stamen. So, it is a male reproductive part of the flower. A single flower may have number of stamens in it. So, now let us begin with anther. It is a bilobate structure containing two pollen sacs present at tip of the stamen. These produce pollen grains that are yellowish in color, that are this one. Now, let us see pistil, and the other name for pistil is carpel. So, now let us see what is it. It is a female reproductive part which is present in center of the flower, and it comprises of mainly three parts, that is stigma, style and ovary. So, stigma. It is a terminal part of the carpel. It helps in the attachment of stigma to the ovary. Now, ovary. It is a swollen bottom part of carpel. It contains ovules having an egg cell or female gamete. The colorful part that is in pink color, it is known as a petal, and the green leaf-like structure, it is known as a sepals. Thank you.